This year at EMO, we will introduce our new theme of the exhibition, which will be Town of Technology. Why? Because we have several spots. We will show what HURON is made for and what Jyoti is made for as well. So in terms of products and software options. So products, we will show about 10 machines on a booth which will have approximately 500 square meters. So we will start with small 2-axis, 3-axis turning machines up to big 5-axis machines. So starting with ATM 200, which is a vertical turn mill center, then HP 4000, which is a horizontal 4-axis machine, so made for general mechanics purpose mass production, as well as Tachyon 4 5-axis, which is a high dynamic, high accurate 5-axis machine, 200 millimeter dia table, mainly dedicated for medical segments, watchmakers, and also very accurate general mechanics part. And the biggest machine we will show this time is MTX 300, which will take about 40 to 50 square meters of our booth, which is a big multitasking 5-axis machine made for mainly aerospace and defense markets, parts like landing gears and such kind of things. This was regarding the products. In terms of softwares, we also developed a lot of new options where the aim is to fit with Industry 4.0, 5.0, and of course AI. So we have some solutions like optimization of the roughing operations to make the machines by ourselves more productive. We have some options to avoid any collision. So this is based on AI to avoid the machine to crash with herself or with the part. And a big thing will also be put on the connection of the machine for a remote access, so that from wherever in the world we are, in France, in India or everywhere else, or where the customers are, we can be connected very quickly and accurate to the machines in order to troubleshoot or just to give an assistance for the customers, the operators, when they are having some issues or problems. So this all we will show, so please come and meet us. We will be glad to share what we do for you, and whole 15, that's where we will be in September in Hannover.